Find the value of 6 raised to 12 into 35 raised to 28 into 15 raised to 16 the whole upon 14 raised to 12 into 12 raised to 11 into 5 raised to 28. This much is the question. Now we have to solve it. Solve this to bring them down to divisible factors. I won't say prime factors. Divisible factors means so that the numerator and denominator can get cancelled. Like example, 6 means 2 into 3. 7 means 21 means 3 into 7. So 3 is common over here. Similarly, try to bring many commons over here. So we'll get like this: 2 into 3 raised to 12, that is for 6. 35 is 7 into 5 raised to 28. 15 is 3 into 5 raised to 16. 14 is 7 twos are this 21 7 threes are 21 and 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now 2 into 3 raised to 12. Now what is the law of indices? A into B raised to C equals to A raised to C into B raised to C. Right? See here. So our problem becomes 2 raised to 12 into 3 raised to 12 into 7 raised to 28 into 5 raised to 28 into 3 raised to 16 into 5 raised to 16 upon 2 raised to 12 into 7 raised to 12 into 3 raised to 11 into 7 raised to 11 into 5 raised to 28. Now you get the basis in the numerator as well as the denominator. See here. How? See this. 2 raised to 12 and 2 raised to 12. Same over here. So they get cancelled. It becomes 1. Okay. Now 3. 3 raised to 12 and 3 over here 11. Right. So 3 raised to 12, 3 raised to 11 and here 16. Right. So 12 plus 16 minus 11. You get the answer as 17. Similarly for 7. 7 raised to 28 and here 12 and here 11. Okay. So 28 minus 12 minus 11, or you can add them first. This is 23 and 28 minus 23. You get 5. Similarly for 5. 5 raised to 16 and here 28, here 28, they get cancelled. So 5 raised to 16 remains. So this is the answer. You need not solve it because 3 raised to 17, you will die while solving this. It's not required. The law used here is A raised to B into A raised to C equals to A raised to B plus C for solving all these and getting